Hello everyone! Welcome to this video where I'll take you on a detailed journey through using Doodle, a fantastic tool designed to simplify scheduling meetings and managing your calendar. Whether you're coordinating with a large group, arranging a one-on-one session, or managing client bookings, Doodle offers an intuitive and seamless experience, making the process effortless and efficient. Its standout feature lies in its ability to create a doodle, a visual and interactive way to streamline scheduling, ensuring that everyone involved can find a mutually convenient time with minimal hassle. When you visit doodle.com, you'll immediately notice the Create a Doodle button at the top right corner of the homepage. This serves as your starting point for scheduling events, managing appointments, or designing personalized booking pages. Unlike more complex scheduling platforms, Doodle emphasizes simplicity without compromising on powerful functionality, making it suitable for a wide range of needs. Getting started is straightforward. First, head to the website and choose the Sign Up option located at the top right corner of the page. Alternatively, you can click Start Free Trial on the left side of the homepage to dive in right away. You'll then see various registration methods, including signing up with your Google, Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft account, or using your email address. For this demonstration, I'll opt for signing up with Google because it's both quick and convenient. Once you've registered, you'll input your full name, agree to the terms of service, and select a plan to activate your free trial. After completing these steps, you'll be ready to explore everything Doodle has to offer. Once your account is set up, the first feature you'll encounter on your dashboard is the option to create a booking page. This is an incredibly useful tool, especially if you work with clients or need to organize professional services. By selecting Create a New Booking Page, you can begin customizing it to meet your specific requirements. For example, if you have a bookstore, you could design a booking page tailored to book reading sessions. Start by naming the page and adding a description. Include essential details, such as whether sessions will be in person or online, and specify the platform you'll use for virtual meetings, like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. You can also configure key aspects of your booking page, such as the event duration, which can range from as short as 15 minutes to a custom length. For this demonstration, I'll set the duration to 50 minutes. You can also establish a future booking horizon, which limits how far in advance appointments can be scheduled. A 2-month horizon often works well for balancing flexibility with efficient planning. Next, define your availability by setting specific days and hours. For instance, you might decide to take Thursdays and Sundays off or choose to work from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. This level of customization ensures your schedule is tailored to your preferences. Once the basics are configured, you'll have the option to enable additional features such as booking reminders and custom fields. Booking reminders ensure that participants receive notifications ahead of their scheduled meetings, helping to reduce the likelihood of missed appointments. Custom fields allow you to gather extra information from clients, such as their preferred session focus or any preparatory details required for the meeting. After completing your setup, click Create Booking Page to finalize it. You'll receive a unique link that can be shared with clients, making the booking process simple and accessible. Doodle is a versatile and efficient scheduling tool designed to streamline the process of organizing meetings, both one-on-one and in groups. It simplifies the often time-consuming task of finding mutually available times, making scheduling more efficient and less stressful. For individual meetings, Doodle's Create One-on-One Meeting feature is a key asset. It's ideal for scheduling personalized appointments such as consultations or introductory meetings. The setup process is simple. You create the event, choose your available time slots, and send an invitation to the other participant. This eliminates the need for back-and-forth communication to settle on a convenient time, saving time and making the scheduling process much easier. For group meetings, Doodle's polling feature shines. By selecting the Create Poll option, you can propose a range of possible meeting times and invite participants to vote on the options that work best for them. This feature is particularly helpful for coordinating team meetings, collaborative projects, or any event involving multiple people. It ensures that everyone can find a time that works, avoiding the hassle of multiple scheduling emails or messages. To further enhance organization, Doodle provides additional features like setting response deadlines, limiting participant numbers, and managing notifications. These options help keep the scheduling process organized and ensure all participants are informed, reducing confusion and delays. Doodle offers several pricing plans to cater to different needs. The basic plan, priced at $6.95 per user per month, billed annually, includes essential features such as ad-free usage, unlimited group polls, and booking pages. For businesses that require more functionality, the team plan costs $8.95 per user per month and offers additional tools such as an admin console, role management, and the ability to schedule on behalf of others. For larger organizations, customized enterprise solutions are available upon consultation, offering even more tailored features and support. Doodle integrates smoothly with popular platforms like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and WebEx, allowing users to easily sync meetings with their existing workflows. This makes it even more convenient for both personal and professional use, eliminating the need to toggle between various tools and platforms. In summary, Doodle is a powerful and flexible tool for simplifying scheduling, whether for personal appointments or team meetings. With its easy-to-use interface, a wide range of features, and competitive pricing, Doodle is an excellent solution for anyone looking to eliminate the frustration of finding mutually convenient meeting times. By handling the logistics of scheduling, Doodle enables users to focus on the more important aspects of their work or personal interactions. Thank you for watching this video.